National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lynn County until 6 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Ely or near Cedar Rapids and is nearly stationary. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Ely and Palisades Kepler State Park around 5:35 p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: